ating finished product. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Julz again. For this video, I will share with you how to make DIY wet wipes. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And pindutin nyo na rin po ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking mga upcoming videos. Bago ko po sa inyo ituro ang procedure on how to make DIY wet wipes, alamin muna natin kung ano-ano po ang mga advantages na pwede nating makuha using this DIY wet wipes. First, we can make sure that it has no chemical ingredients that could harm to the skin of our babies kung gagamitin po natin ito sa ating mga anak. And likewise, sa ating mga skin din, kung gagamitin natin sa ating pansarili. And another advantage po is we can save money because the ingredients that we will use in using this DIY wet wipes is more cheaper compared to the wet wipes that we could buy in the store. I hope that this video could help you to save money and at the same time sure that you have safer or chemical-free, harmful-free wet wipes. Now, let's get started! To make these DIY wet wipes, we need first to prepare all the materials needed. So first of all is we need the main ingredient, which is the tissue. So this is the most important ingredient that we will be using in this DIY wet wipes. Of course, we need container para lalagyan ng ating tissue. So for me, I just improvise empty bottle of Coca-Cola. So I just cut it in half and I remove the middle part para lalagyan ng wet tissue. But it's up to you if you want to buy container that you could be secured and comfortable. So you can buy container as long as this tissue could fit in. And then another very important ingredient is the body wash. So mas maganda din po kung ang gagamitin nyo ay Johnson Baby Body Wash, which we can make sure that the ingredients are mild and safe for the skin of our babies. So wala naman po kahit anong body wash you could use. And then, another is baby oil. So, since I don't have Johnson baby oil, I use this body oil which I have. So, pwede rin po kayong gumamit kahit anong klaseng baby oil. It depends on you. Depends on the availability of the ingredients. And we need also water. But make sure na yung gagamitin po nating water is either distilled or mineral water to make it last. Kasi hindi naman po natin agad-agad mauubos ang wet wipes. So, we need to keep it. So, to make it last, kailangan yung water natin is mineral or distilled water. Of course, we need measuring cup para sa mixture ng ating mga ingredients. Here it is, all our materials are ready, so let's get started. So first, let's put at least 1.5 cup of water. So 1.5 cup of water. So 1.5 cup of water. And then, add lang po tayo ng at least 1 teaspoon of body wash. So 1 teaspoon of body wash. And then a little bit of oil. Lagyan lang po natin ng konting oil. Let's mix. Ayan, i-mix lang po natin. Mix, mix. So we need to mix it. Ayan. So, ayan na po yung mixture natin. It's a mixture of water, 1 teaspoon of body wash, and a little bit of oil. Ayan. And then, we should put the tissue inside the container and then ilagay lang po natin itong mixture. So, let's make sure na mabasa po yung ating tissue. Let's make sure na ma-absorb po ng tissue yung ating mixture. And that's it. Galing po natin ito. Let's remove this. Meron na po tayong wet tissue. Meron na po tayong wet tissue. Here it is. And then, let's cover it. So, let's save. Natin ng tape para hindi po siya sumingaw. So, lagyan po natin ng tape doon konti. So, sumingaw ang nilagay natin mixture. Here it is. Our DIY wet wipes is done. So, ito na po siya. Ito na po ang ating finish product. So, and that's all. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy and learn in this video. Always remember, learning is fun!